मीटिंग न्यू नेबर्स, पड़ोसियों से मुलाकात। न्यू फ्रेंडशिप, नई दोस्ती।
He is Rahul. She is his elder sister Dolly. Their house is in D block. Their house is big.
We are friends. Our friendship is good.
Yes, our friendship is good.
Nice to meet you. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
He is Rahul. He is Rahul. She is his elder sister Dolly. She is his elder sister Dolly. Their house is in D block. Their house is in D block. Their house is big. Their house is big. We are friends. We are friends. Our friendship is good. Our friendship is good. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. See you later. See you later. Bye.
He is Rahul. She is his elder sister Dolly. Their house is in D block. Their house is big.
We are friends. Our friendship is good.
Yes, our friendship is good.
Nice to meet you. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
अब आपकी बारी है। आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ इसी संवाद को दोहरा कर देखें।